Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's make Chinese dish that is veg fried rice. It can be made very quickly. In fact, if you have boiled rice at home, then it's just matter of minutes to make it. Let's check out the ingredients first. We need carrot, green chili, capsicum, onion, beans, green peas, spring onion, garlic and ginger. First let's heat up the pan, add some oil, add garlic, onion, ginger, green chilli and fry for 2 minutes. Then add beans, carrot, green peas and capsicum and fry for 2 minutes. Add boiled rice. And whenever you add soya sauce, add it on the rice and not the vegetables. The vegetables should not have a dark color. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar and add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add salt according to the taste and add half teaspoon pepper powder and add little splash of water and cook for 3 minutes. Finally add spring onion and toss it. That's it. Our fried rice is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. For more such recipes, subscribe Tummy Time.